In this video, I'm just going to consider an example that involves the ratio of surface area and volume of two similar solids. Let's have a look at part A. Find the ratio of the surface areas of two similar solids if the ratio of their volumes is 27 to 125. So we need to think of the ratio of their side lengths. So if we have the ratio of their side lengths, we can work out the ratio of their surface areas or their volume. But we're given the ratio of their volumes. So the first thing we do is work out the ratio of their side lengths. And because it's volume, that's what we're given, to find the ratio of the side lengths, volume implies three dimensions. We take the cube root of both terms. So cube root of 27 to the cube root of 125. And that gives us 3 to 5. Okay, so if you can imagine, for example, we're not told what shape these solids are, but they could be cubes, for example. So it just means that if the side length of one cube is 3 meters, that means the larger cube's side length is 5 meters. Now let's find the ratio of their surface areas. Now, keyword is area. So we take the ratio of their side lengths. So let me just write this down first. Ratio of the area. In fact, let's be more specific here. Let's call it surface area. So that's what we're trying to find. But it still works the same way as regular area. Is m squared to n squared. So it's going to be 3 squared to 5 squared, which equals 9 to 25. So part B, find the surface area of the smaller solid if the larger solid is 1,200 square centimeters. So we're just going to use our previous answer from part A. Okay, so we want the smaller solid, so let's call it, say, X, okay, to 1,200 is equal to this ratio here. So they're equivalent ratios, 9 to 25. So we could express this in fraction form, and it becomes a lot easier to solve when it's in fraction form. So X over 1,200 is equal to 9 over 25. Okay. Ratios and fractions are basically synonymous with each other. I mean, they work in very similar ways. So now to solve for X. So X is equal to, just move the 1,200 over the other side by multiplication. So it's going to be 9 over 25 multiplied by 1,200. Therefore, X is equal to, okay, so 9 over 25 multiplied by 1,200. And we get 432. 432 square centimeters. Okay, so the ratio is, if I can write this up in a different color, just for your benefit, right? It's 432 to 1,200. And this ratio is equivalent to 9 to 25, which is what we found in part A.